Morning ma, welcome to Alpha Online Education Commerce Theory part for the second year's English medium, and the topic we are dealing with are the banking services or the financial services of part 7. This is the 7th session of the banking services. In this session we are going to study about the types of loans, what types of loans the bank will give. In the previous session we have discussed about the types of deposits, and in this session we are going to learn about the loans. Consumer credit, first one is the consumer credit. What it means? Bank grant credit in lump sum to household. So the bank will grant, means the bank will issue. The bank will issue the lump sum amount. What is the meaning of lump sum? Means huge amount to the household, to the householders to buy some durable consumer goods. Durable consumer goods means in economics you have durable goods. Means once you use it, you can use it again and again and again. Those goods are known as durable consumer goods. To buy these kind of durable consumer goods, the bank is giving the loan to the householders. What are those? TV, car, refrigerators, etc. Okay, these all fall under the category of durable consumer goods. So in order to purchase those goods, the bank is providing the loan to the householders. Okay, the amount repayable in installment in a short time, and those amounts should be paid in the installment form. Whatever the loan amount they have taken, they have to repay those amount in installment form in a short time. They will not going to give a long time duration of 4 years, 5 years or 10 years. Within the short period of time, within 1 year or above the 1 year, below the 2 years, you have to pay that loan amount. Okay. Under 20-point program, the scope of the credit extended to cover the expenses on marriage, etc. So this is one program. Under 20-point program is one program. In that program, the credit, whatever the credit given to these borrowers, that credit has been extended means scope has been extended, penchindu. So it will cover the expenses of marriages, it will cover the expenses of funeral, means death related some type of programs. For all those things it will cover. Okay, under the 20-point program. Next, miscellaneous advances. These are the other type of advances. These are generally given to credit given to exporters for short duration, export bills, purchase, discount, import finance advance against the import bills, finance to self-employment, etc. For the weaker sections of the people, they will provide some type of loans for the export. When they are doing export, they have the export bill. Based on that export bill, the bank will give certain advance, certain loan to the exporter. There is an import bill. On that import bill, the bank will give certain amount to the importer. Discounting the bill. We have studied already bill discounting, discounting the bill of exchange. Yes, those activities are done here in the miscellaneous advances. So, a finance to the self-employed means self-employed. If someone want to start the business, kiranam shops, book stalls, for them also the bank will provide the loan under the category of miscellaneous advances. Next, overdraft facility. You know what is overdraft facility? You can draw the amount more than the balance in your account. For example, you want to draw 7 lakhs rupees. You want to draw 7 lakhs rupees, but in your account just 5 lakhs rupees are only there. Now, whatever you have drawn 2 lakhs rupees excess ga mee draw chesina amount undi kada, aa amount meeda interest anedi bank charge chestundi, and aa interest anedi chaala heavy ga untundi. Anni interest la kanna overdraft meeda bank charge chese interest 2 lakhs, meeru 7 lakhs rupees draw chesinడ్రు, మీ అకౌంట్ లో 5 lakhs rupees ఉండే, మీరు 2 lakhs rupees ఎక్స్ట్రా డ్రా చేసుకున్నారు కదా. సో ఆ ఫెసిలిటీ బ్యాంక్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి మీకు జస్ట్ ఆ 2 lakhs మీద మాత్రమే మీకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అనేది వేయడం జరుగుతుంది. మీ 5 lakhs మీవే, 2 lakhs మీరు అప్పు తీసుకున్నారు, you have taken the loan from the bank, that's why the bank will charge interest on the amount which you have overdrawn. Okay, overdraft means overly you have drawn, you cross that limit and you have drawn that amount, on that only the bank will charge the interest. Okay, next, term loans. Next topic is term loans. See, maturity period range between 1 to 10 years. The loan time duration ranges from 1 to 10 years. It provides working capital to the borrowers. It will provide working capital fund to the borrowers. Who are the borrowers? Traders, industrialists, agriculturists. These are the borrowers. Okay. The maturity period will be 1 to 10 years. It will be just like working capital to the borrowers, means traders, industrialists, agriculturists. For them it will be like a working capital. Sometimes 2 or more banks provide term loan jointly to the borrower. Sometimes if there is the loan amount is more, one bank can't able to handle that much amount of loan amount oka bank maatrame handle cheyaleni situation lo 2 banks will join together and settle the total amount. Okay, 2 banks will join together and settle that loan amount. Okay, so that type of loan amounts are known as participation loans or consortium finance. Okay, these loans are generally provided when the loan amount is more, huge amount of loan amount is there, single bank can't able to handle, at that time another bank also joined with it, combinedly they provide that loan to jointly to the borrower. That type of loans are known as participation loans or consortium finance. Okay, next, retail loans. These loans are generally given to buy asset or property. Okay, these retail loans are again classified into, okay, these retail loans are generally classified into home loans, car loan, education loan, personal loan and credit cards. So home loans, what do you mean by home loans? Means, see, National Housing Bank, NHB, this is a bank which is registered with the RBI, which follow the rules and regulations or guidelines whichever provided by the RBI, this bank will follow. So what this bank will do means, this bank is coordinating and development of housing finance scheme. It providing the finance, house finance for the borrowers. Who are the borrowers who need money to construct the house? For them the National Housing Bank will provide the amount, loan amount. House loans are provided by LIC. Okay, house loans are provided by LIC, SBI, UTI, etc. These are the other banks which also provide the house loans. Okay, but these bank, National Housing Bank, this bank is generally started with the intention to provide housing finance schemes only. Okay, the central government has started a program to provide housing facility to the weaker sections or backward sections of the people. That program is the central government program, the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana for the weaker sections and the middle section people. For the weaker section and middle section people, the bank has provided the central government. The central government has started a program. That program is known as the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. This was the housing plan. This was the housing plan for the weaker sections and the middle section of the people. They also can get houses with this scheme. Okay, this is a type of program which is started by the central government. Car loans. Okay, these loans are granted to salaries, employees and self-employed or provided necessary documents. Generally the car loan is given to the salary employed, government servants. Okay, government employees or self-employed, kiranam shops, or you are doing any kind of business, you are self-employed, you are not working under anyone. So for that employees, it will provide the loan after submitting certain required documents, certain proofs. Okay. The minimum age to obtain the loan, car loan, the minimum age should be 21 years and the annual income should be 2,50,000. 2,50,000 should be the annual income. In general, loan will be a secured loan. This loan is secured loan. If you will not pay the loan, ఒకవేళ మీరు లోన్ కట్టలేదనుకోండి ఏం చేయరు వాళ్ళు. The lender will repose the vehicle. వెహికల్ని తీసుకొని వెళ్ళిపోతారు. ఏమన్నారు మిమ్మల్ని, మీరు లోన్ తీసుకున్నారు బాగానే ఉంది, వాడుతున్నారు ఆ వెహికల్ని బాగానే ఉంది, ఇన్స్టాల్మెంట్స్ కట్టలేదనుకోండి, లోన్ ఇన్స్టాల్మెంట్స్, ఆ లోన్ అమౌంట్ ఇన్స్టాల్మెంట్ అమౌంట్ రెండు కట్టాలి. ఏం చేస్తారు, చిన్నగా వచ్చి మీ వెహికల్ తీసుకొని టాటా బాయ్ బాయ్ అనుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతారు వాళ్ళు. ఏమన్నారు, కొట్టరు తిట్టరు ఏం చేయరు. దట్ ఈస్ కార్ లోన్. Next, education loan. This loan is provided for the weaker sections of the people, students who are unable to complete their higher education like graduation, post graduation or any other professional educations like chartered accountants, doctors, MBBS or MS, anything. If you want to do in India or you want to do in abroad, the bank will provide these type of loans also for your higher education in India and in abroad. Due to lack of cash, okay, you can't able to continue your education, but these banks will provide that type of education loans also. The financial support is granted to the extent of 10 lakhs in India. The bank will provide 10 lakhs in India and 25 lakhs for abroad. If you want to study in abroad, then the bank will give 25 lakhs rupees for your higher education. If you want to study your higher education in India itself, then the bank will give 10 lakhs rupees. Okay, if you want to complete your education in India. Next, personal loans. Personal loans means these are given for marriage. Okay, house repairs or renovations, some building renovations, paint చేయడానికి ఇంటికి, లేదా some constructions, bathroom constructions or drainage constructions or any other constructions కోసం పర్సనల్గా లోన్ తీసుకుంటారు. Personal loans are unsecured loans. These loans are not secured. Granted to the customer with an account in a specific bank. In which bank you have the account, from that bank only you can raise the loan, personal loan. You can raise, if you have the account in SBI bank, then you can raise loan from the SBI bank only. Okay, this is a personal loan provided with a term between 1 to 3 years repayment period. So the time duration to repay the loan is 1 to 3 years. This is the time duration. You have to repay the loan within that time duration. Generally, these loans are granted for the purpose of house repairs, weddings, and also for renovations, for painting the houses, or for any other things. For personal things, the loan is provided. The time duration will be 1 year to, the personal loan provided with a term between 1 year to 3 years repayable period. So this is about the personal loan. Education loan means you can study in India or you can study in abroad. If you study in India, you will get 10 lakhs. If you study in abroad, you will get 25 lakhs. Car loan generally given to the employees or self-employed. Salary employees are self-employed. Okay, if you don't pay any kind of loan amount, then what they will do, they will take your vehicle and they will go. So the minimum age to obtain the car loan is 21 years and annual income should be 2.5 lakhs per annum. 2.5 lakhs per annum. Next, credit card. Credit card means we know what is the credit card. We have discussed in the previous classes also. So credit card issued on the individual credit worthiness. The bank will issue the credit card. The bank will issue the credit card to the individual on his credit worthiness. On his credit worthiness means based on the credit, what is the credit in their bank account. Based on that, the bank will issue the credit cards. The bank will issue the credit cards. Credit card is a magnetic strip card. Credit card is a magnetic strip card. So if you want to, you can withdraw more amount than the balance amount. If you have the balance of 7 lakhs rupees and you can withdraw up to, you can withdraw, for example, if you want to withdraw 8 lakhs rupees, you can withdraw this 1 lakh rupees extra. The bank will, what the bank will do? The bank will charge interest on the extra amount what you have been drawn. This is just similar like the overdraft, okay? Just it is similar to the overdraft, but in the overdraft that is done with the check, and here the credit card, here this is done with the credit card, that is a magnetic strip card. You know how will be the credit card? Just like our ATM cards. So, ATM card is a credit card or debit card? It is a debit card, okay? ATM card is a debit card, but credit card is also provided by the bank with using the ATM card, ATM center. Okay, with that ATM machine you can use both debit card and credit card also, but the procedure is different. Okay, so this is about the types of loans which are provided by the banks to their customers and how they help their customers. We have studied in this session. In the next session we will meet with the other topic. Till then, this is also most important question, types of loans. Don't waste the time, it is very easy, nothing is there here. So don't waste the time, read the topics which have been completed. Okay, right.